Have you been searching for the perfect sports coupe with safety and styling that won't break the bank? We'll take a look at this 2021 Chevy Camaro LT RS in satin steel metallic. With HID headlamps, electronic stability control, 18-inch aluminum wheels, brake assist, shark fin antenna, LED tail lamps, front bucket seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, only 3,000 miles on the odometer, 8-inch touchscreen display, rear backup camera, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, SiriusXM satellite radio, split folding rear seats, 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 4048A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.